Hi there, welcome to my amazing card game React course. Probably you are a beginner or you are an intermediate React user or maybe you are an advanced React user. So whatever level you are, I am going to show you how I build up a card game, and now you are going to see this amazing card game in action. So as you know, any playing card will have four sets of cards numbered from 1 to 13, and you can see I have numbered A's card or number 1 as A, and we have Jack, J, and somewhere you can see King is K, and then you can see a Queen somewhere. Yes, you see a Queen here. So this is how the numbering is done, and let us play the game first to see what we are going to make. So I have a 0 and I click the play. So we have validations. Remember that this is a very simple and easy game, nothing much inside the game, but the technology of React that I have built into this is really super, and you guys will understand about hooks, about validation, about few mathematics using JavaScript, as well as how do you display the output finally. So here, let us look at the real game. So we are going to input the player. A 0 player is not accepted and you cannot submit even. So let us put two people as the players and let's shuffle it. You can see the shuffling of the cards is happening. The cards are changing. So then we play for two people. We get an initialization first and then we go ahead to click one more time. So these two players have won the game because 52 is divisible by 2, and then each of them will get 26 cards. And you can see that I have put in a model here. So the model is very nice with animation. Can you see that? So it's a beautiful model. So how do you put a model in React? That is another functional challenge we will do here. So let me put the people as 21 and click the play. So you can see that once I click, there is an initialization. Second time I click, the players are coming in. So whoever the players with the black, they are less fortunate because they get one joker inside their pack, whereas whoever is displayed with the medal are lucky players or super lucky players who really get the 3 cards only. So in this case, as you can see, the players are arranged in a proper way, and you can see all the players listed as lucky and super lucky players. And how I do this medal, that is another part of displaying icons with React.js. So we will also look into this portion. And again, how do you make the model active? For example, if I click 13, player 13 comes out with his cards. If I click player 9, player 9 comes out with his cards or her cards, right? And then what is unlucky players? These players are all lucky because only the difference is that they got a joker inside their pack of cards, and these people got a full set of cards, and that's why they got the extra medal. But now if I go to, let's say I put at 210 players and I shuffle the cards, I play it, you can see everybody here are 52 players here who really won the game because everybody got one card. And here we got the rest of the people, that means 210 minus 52, that are the players here, and you click these buttons there is no model coming in because they don't own any cards. But if you want to look at the cards owned by 77, he is a spade of 5. By 84, he is a dice of 9, like that. So all the 52 cards are arranged under the lucky players. And then finally, the unlucky players are displayed. Together with the left side, we got a shuffle. Shuffle is happening, and then we can play it out. And the players, when they come on the right side, you can see they are also being shuffled. Can you see that? The numbers are changing here, the player numbers. So they are also being shuffled here, so that it seems to be like a fair game. And one more thing I want to show you, just watch on the right side on the top screen. You will be able to see the model flash, and when I click the play, you can see successful game played, check cards with players. So this is called a toast. So how to implement a toast in React also we will discuss. So I hope you guys will be benefited by this React application, and you will have a confidence to build your own super amazing React applications once you take this React crash course. So let's diving into the code in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like it, and give a thumbs up button so that I will get motivated to do more and more videos here. And then one more thing is that you can start to put your comments here. How do you like this video? What are the improvements that are needed, or anything like that? And let's reply to each other so that it makes it more colorful. Thanks and have a good day. Till then, see you. Bye bye.